Let me get up. Oh Lord, it hurts to get up in the morning. It's cold. You know what I gotta do before I get up, right? Position. First thing. When I've had a cold. I've had a cold. I'm getting over a cold, folks. Oh Lord, let me get up. Up. Oh, Granny, old folk. Getting up don't feel too good sometimes. Let me turn this light. Oh. Good morning. Oh, that was too bright. It's early in the morning. Oh, my hair. Oh, well, we're on YouTube, and I just woke up. It's pretty early, folks. Let me sit down. It takes a while for old Granny to get up. The bed is so far down. When I get up, I just pull the covers up. And once I get up, I move to this lovely place, this chair. You probably can't see it. I need to turn the dang light back. It's much too early for me. Today I'm tired. I get up early. This is when I work. Early in the morning I get up, I do my sessions. And you know, I've been down. I've been down for about, now it's a week with something, you know. It's been a head cold. Getting better now, though. Granny's getting better. Yes. Good morning, folks. Glasses. Oh, here they are. I thought they was lost. It's gonna be a day, folks. It's gonna be a day. I might not get dressed today, but I'll put my coat on. I think it'll be a day in the pajamas again. I'll be chilling in my tiny house. Early in the morning. It's a little chilly. We're in the Pacific Northwest. And I'm in my shed house built. I'm speaking to your poor Granny early in the morning. Session time. The view is outside. I have to turn my little heat on right now because it's real cold in the mornings here in the Pacific Northwest. And you know, I don't bother nobody in the front house. I don't. Turn this up. Yeah. That's how it is in a tiny house. All you need is just a little heater. I like this because I like the, excuse me, I gotta wake up. I like the ambiance of the light. I'm just gonna smile at y'all. Waking up. I need to go figure out what I'm gonna do today with y'all. I think first thing I should have my Gatorade. And of course my complete session. It's a little past 4:20 a.m. And you see I got my lighter. I'm gonna light my candle in the morning. I start out every morning, meditation first thing. And I am tired, real tired. When I got up, I just laid there for a good 15 minutes because it's cold in here. You see what I'm wearing? I'm down in the nightie. Very thick one. And it has cardinals on it. I like cardinals. It reminds me of Illinois. Gatorade first thing in the morning for me. Gatorade and orange juice. Then I'll get something to eat. Then, before I do anything to wake up completely, it'd either be a cappuccino or maybe a Red Bull. One of the two. I don't know yet. It's too early. It's early on Granny. Just pulled the covers. You know, they're still kind of unmade. But yeah, it's morning in the tiny house. And yeah, I love it. I love it. Yes, 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 yes. That's all it says. Yeah, 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 yeah. Yes, 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 yes. I'm a yes person. Sometimes I say we'll see. But usually my answer is yes. It's no if it's wrong. If you're wrong or bad, it's always no. Nada, nothing. Yeah. But YouTube said get up and be on schedule. And I'm on schedule, I'm up. You just have to wake up, folks. And that's another story. And let me try some rosemary. Rosemary. Just rosemary. It's a little dry. I got a fresh rosemary plant outside. That wakes me up. It smells earthy. Earthy. And I got my little stuff right there. On the little side table. Everything in here is little. Little lamp. Little, you know, these are crates. I made in the table, stacked the crates. I'm scared to put my pictures up. I'm afraid that they're gonna do that, what they did over there to my wall. They messed up the drywall. When I pulled the picture down. I pulled the picture down and it made a hole in my drywall, folks. Made a hole in the drywall. And, you know, when it made the hole in the drywall, I said no more pictures up. Because I don't want to do no repairs until this is finished. And it's not done. Not until the trim is laid. The trim will get done, you know, when I'm done in here. Which will be a while yet. A while. I'm not ready to go back to Illinois yet. But soon I gotta do the floors. It's early spring. But it's cold. It's cold up here. Nice and foggy, misty. When I decide to go outside, I'll take you. But I'll probably still be in my nightie. I've been in my nightie for 2 days. Well, I took a shower, of course, but I put my nightie back on. And that's how I've been for the last few days. I just don't want to get up and get dressed. until I feel real good. Yeah. But I'd rather be sick here than out amongst a lot of people. At least here I got a view. I can be sick with the view. I ain't that sick. It's just like a head cold. But it's one that's been lingering a minute. And that's just because this weather here, it's like a little iffy. It rains all the time. Sometimes it gets real chilly, and I'm right here on the ocean, so all kinds of weather. It was hailing last night. It hailed. Boy, I was scared. It sounded like it was gonna bust the window. But y'all, I gotta get up. I gotta get dressed. Even if it's just a raincoat and an umbrella. We'll be going out for the walk in a minute. I gotta finish my session. I'm not gonna do it on camera. I can't. I'm on YouTube. So, I'll see you shortly. Y'all have a good morning now. Mine's starting. It's gotta warm up more. It's cold. It's cold in here. Granny cold in the morning. It's gonna rock. Granny gonna rock. Granny gonna rock, rock, rock. Rock around the clock. Hey y'all. Granny here. Can y'all see me? I hope you can see me. I'm in the firelight. I'm in the firelight, y'all. So I cooked in here. And guess what? I'm never gonna cook in here again because it won't stop smelling like the food I cooked. It smells like my dinner in the room. Well, I actually cooked it outside and I brought it in here to eat. And left it in here. Went for a walk and I come back in my house, little house. It smells like onions and garlic in here. Onions and garlic, real strong. Yeah. I just, I'm actually just laying here chilling. It's late. It's real late. And I'm getting ready to crash out. I'm in bed. But I wanted you guys to know that I'm going to bed with a stinky house because I ate dinner in here. So, if you eat in your little house, be ready to, sterilize it because it'll linger, the food, the smell. So, you have to have good airflow, and if you're going to eat in your little house, it'll stink like the food. It'll linger. I wouldn't imagine you want to cook fish. Or tuna, and that would be a horrible smell to linger in the house. Luckily, it wasn't that. But yeah, it smells like garlic and onions in here. Garlic and onions. And session before bed. Yeah, good night, y'all. I'm out. Just wanted to tell you, don't eat in there if you don't want to smell what you eat. I'm gonna have to defect this house with Clorox just to get the stuffiness of food out of here. Love you guys. Stories by the fire. Woo, stories are fun. Granny likes stories. In a little house. story time. It's always fun. I be hearing noises out my door there. I put the lights on. It's never completely dark because I keep my dimmers on, and it's real cold tonight. And I just want you guys to know that you guys are out of sight. I love y'all. Thanks. Thanks for loving your boy Granny. And thanks for visiting me too. To Lou. Good night, folks.